Hi friends, today we are trying to show you how to use this. This is the SMD. It's called laser SMD. You can see this is a one of type of its button is there. You have to press it, then only this is working. This is the pen, which is a laser light is coming out from here. You can see in my hand. This is 10 mm lens is there. So you can change this lens also as per as your need you're working. So if need 6 mm, so that is also 6 mm available. Show me the 6 mm. 6 mm. This is the 6 mm lens. You can see this one. You can fix this one also in your pen, this one, laser pen, and you can you working, but as per your need. So this is our machine, which is SMD. So this is the power button from here. You can see the power button. Yeah, it's on. So this is the electronic power. So electronic power says the E symboling is coming from here. So this is maximum is 10, and you can see the 10. Oh, 10 and 9, 8. So you have to understand which one can be possible. 0 to 10 you can use it. 0 to 10 you can use it by your pen. So now I am giving 8 and removing any ICs. Just make it here in the microscope. Yeah. So I will show you in this TV in here. So Mr. Shadow, this is the Mr. Shadow. Hi Shadow. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, fine. Bagus. Sekarang now, so you have to press this one. See, press this one and just working. So you can see the light is here. See, you can see how it's burning. See. Wow. It's melting. And this one must be press. Just press. And you can see here the light is going on. It has to be press. See. Be careful to working, because see, wow,
Laser gun.
it's a laser gun, laser hot gun, you can say, laser SMD. So this is the buck coil. You can see this coil is removing within a few seconds and without damaging any part from any other motherboards. You can see the capacitor. You can see everyone. Yeah, so he is removing. I don't know what is removing, but removing. Oh, this IC is removing, this IC. You can see. So laser gun is like blue color. Sorry, this is a pink color. Oh, it's removed. Wow, very fast removing. Wow. See, Mr. Shadow is here. He's removing from here by the laser light. You can see. Yeah, I'm doing zoom. See. Wow. Very good. So 10 mm he is using. Now he is removing capacitor. See, this capacitor is removing. Wow, it's very fast and very professionally he can do.
Just
Now
in seconds.
wow, yes. So now we are in Surabaya in Indonesia.
Indo service.
Indoor service. Happy.
Happy.
Yeah. So this is we are in Indo service right now in Surabaya. It's the first time we are showing this video in live. The first video in the world, I think, we are live doing right now. So he is removing the capacitor. See, very easily without remove. Wow. See, it's already removed.
Yes. Without damage the board.
Without damaging any board, any components, not removing. See, very easily is removing.
Very
See. So now already IC also removing. So now this IC you can remove. Ini dekat IC nya. Yeah.
Very near to CPU.
Wow, very good. So I am showing you our owners. This one, the owners of.
Hello.
Yeah, you can see he's also making video. No problems.
No problem. ones.
Okay,
Very
see, he removing the IC also very fastly removing the IC. See, just I'm zoom doing. See, wow, yeah, wow. See, it's like a playing game maybe, just playing game. Wow, one by one, without damaging any board, without damaging PCB, not burning anything. Yeah, wow, Mr. Shadow is happy. Yeah, he's happy. So I hope this video you are like feeling good, and more one IC or any connector can be possible to remove connector, any connector. Yes, can possible. Which one? Oh, LCD connectors, not a LCD connector. This is the camera maybe, I think. Camera connectors he is removing. See, camera connector is removing it. It's very be careful because of sometimes it's burning if you're using any other blurs. So it is removing very easily, you can see. Wow, we are watching in directly live. Wow, wow, it's too much smoke is coming out. Don't know why. I think it has to be power, electronic power. It has to be reduced, I think. I don't know. It's the first time welding. Oh, it's remove. I don't know. It's burning maybe.
Need change lens, I think.
We change the lens.
Oh, you have to change the lens. He's saying it has to be changing the lens because if we're not changing, then see, this is a 0.6 lens we have to change. So no problem. So we are removing any IC. No problem. We are removing any IC, not a connector. Later we will show you how to remove connectors. Wow. See, it's the coils nearby CPU is available, many coils. They are just removing capacitor also. Whoa, resistance. Wow, this is the capacitor, this one. Wow, it's very easily without hurting any components. This one, yeah, this one, yes, remove. Yeah. No, I see. Yeah, Paka I see. Yeah, ni. Yes. I'm doing zoom. Yes. I'm doing zoom and very clearly everybody. Wow, very good. So I hope everyone is like this video, and whatever we are showing you that this hot gun, the laser hot gun is going to electronic 0.8. Sorry, 08. Right now it's going on. So this is, yeah, the electron power is 08, this one, the laser combinations. So it's really working. If you have a good knowledge and if you have a good habits about this hot gun, maybe you can work very fast. Cepat. In an Indonesian language, cepat, you can work anything.
Okay.
So I hope this video and this is the price. I don't know. I asked to Mr. How much this price, this for Indonesian price, how much? If you say it will be best for us.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
call our sales.
Yes. For normal customers, if they're selling so directly, how much this one for Indonesia right now? Not I'm asking about the all over the world, but just Indonesia if selling. This is Indonesian.
In rupiah?
No, this is ribu. How much? I mean,
Okay.
in Indonesian rupiah.
8,5 juta.
8,5 juta. Later I will explain about 8,5 juta what. But really it's working. Money is not the matter because safety is the most important. So I hope this video you are enjoying. So you are in Surabaya, Mr. Shadow, Mr. Stephen, Mr. Stephen, and I am Suraj from UFI Academy, Kolkata. Thank you.